All right. So at a circus, a human cannonball is shot from a cannon at 15 meters per second at an angle of 40 degrees from horizontal. She leaves the cannon 1 meter off the ground and lands on the way down in a net 2 meters off the ground. Okay. So let's see here. Draw a quick picture. There's the ground, and so the person's shot from a cannon that's 1 meter above the ground. So I'll draw a little 1 meter there. All right, then the person's launched. There's the cannon, right? They're launched through the air like that, and they're on a net, caught on a net 2 meters above the ground. So I'll draw a net here. Okay, and I'll say that's 2 meters. So essentially, she lands at a height that's 1 meter above where she launched from, right? So let me draw it again. She's launched, but she doesn't go all the way back down. So her landing point here, if I draw a horizontal reference right here, she actually lands 1 meter above where she launched from. So this value here, this is the delta y is going to be 1 meter, right? And the delta x, we do not know. We'll draw delta x. Our v naught t should look like this. So do we know our initial velocity? Yeah, we do. We don't know t. So 15 meters per second is our initial velocity. This vector going down is our 1/2 at squared. We don't know t, so this is 5t squared. We know our angle. Angle right here is 40 degrees. Okay. So I could do, let's see, I could do sine 45 degrees. Sorry, it's not 45 degrees, it's 40 degrees. Let me fix that. Sine of 40 degrees is going to be 5t squared plus 1 over 15t. And the only variable in this equation is t. So I should be able to solve it. So I got 15t sine 40 is equal to 5t squared plus 1. Okay. So 5t squared minus 15t. I can rearrange this a little better. Hold on. So my 5t squared minus 15 sine 40 degrees times t plus 1 equals 0. So let me rewrite this. So I got 5 here is my a coefficient. I got negative. So our b term looks like negative 15 sine 40. That's our b term. And plus 1 looks like our c term. Equals 0. So this is t squared. This is t. So you would just put the a, b, and c terms in a quadratic equation, and you should be able to solve for t. Once you solve for t, you could find your delta x, how far horizontally the projectile goes, the human cannonball, and so it should be good. It's just finding t. So again, I would just go to a quadratic equation calculator. You could online write quadratic equation calculator and find one, or use a computer. You don't necessarily need to do that by hand. Anyway, I hope that helps, and have a good day.